Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Makeda Kerr. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today's video is sponsored by premiumjane.com. I'm super excited to bring you guys this video. You guys don't understand, like I have literally seen CBD all over, and I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but there is like an array of CBD everywhere. You just don't know what to choose. So I'm super excited that Premium Jane reached out to me. I checked them out and they are such a credible company. I love what they stand for. I love the array of products that they offer. So I'm super excited to bring you guys this video. So one thing I will say is I have a coupon code for you guys down below. You guys are getting such a good discount. Just use the code. All the information is down below. But I want to also start off by saying that I had a lot of questions about CBD. I have heard like a lot of great things, and the reason why I was so interested in CBD is because they said CBD is great for your memory, it's great for, you know, inflammation, it's great for your digestive system, it's great for like joints, sleep, all of that stuff. And I am not someone that loves to take pills, but Premium Jane had gummies. They have an array of products which I will show you in a bit. Premium Jane's strawberry gummies, they are 100% vegan. They have no pesticides or anything. They are organic, and I'm super excited. So it does recommend that you take 1 to 2 gummies every 6 hours. My schedule gets a little bit hectic. I take 1 in the morning and I take 1 at night, and they taste so good. CBD does not give you any kind of hallucination or any like crazy effect. It literally is like taking vitamins. Like there's nothing. But you guys can go over onto premiumjane.com and you guys will see that they have been featured in so many credible publications like Forbes, Way of Leaf, LA Weekly, like so many publications that, you know, like they have been credible for years and they have been featured in there. Their products range from CBD oils, the gummies, which I am taking the strawberries and I really love them, CBD topicals, CBD capsules, Delta 8. They even have CBD bath bombs, which is on my list of things to try. If you are someone like me, I tend to carry stress in my body. I absolutely hate it because I'm always like tense. But they have CBD bath bombs, which I love a good bath here and there. It has to be luxurious, so add in bath bombs, add in salts, you know, it gives you the self-care effect. They have CBD joints. They have CBD for your pets. They're not just looking out for you. Premium Jane has your pets covered as well. And they also have the strawberry gummies, which is what I have been taking and I love. There is no like weird taste. It literally tastes like a gummy. They have cocoa butter CBD topical shave. They have just an array of amazing products. They give you a whole bunch of information on here, and what I love also, they do have a military discount. So if you guys are in the military, they do look out for you, which is amazing. If you guys need more information, you can always visit their blog, which they have an array of information, and they really answered a lot of my questions as well. And if you guys are on Instagram, definitely go over to their Instagram page and you can see them at Premium Jane, and you get to have like a little bit of update right directly to your Instagram. But I absolutely love this product. It tastes absolutely amazing, and I really love them. They smell amazing. This is what they look like. They literally are gummy. And one thing that I did find out, and I think this is with everything, you know, what works for me might not work for you. So I love the gummies work for me, but you might like the oil, you might like the capsule. So I will say just do go for the product that is more aligned with you. They are all CBD, they are vegan, they don't have any pesticides, they don't have any herbicides, they don't have like any metals or anything, which is very important, and you definitely want to look at that. And there are a lot of companies selling CBD, but you definitely want a company that is credible. So I am definitely recommending Premium Jane. They really care about their product, they really care about the quality, and that says a lot that they have respect for their customers and people who purchase their products over and over and over again. So guys, definitely head over to premiumjane.com for all your CBD needs, and I have a coupon code down below for you guys to save some money, because we love to save a coin or two over on this channel. I love you guys so much. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below. Send them a message, let them know I sent you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.